Today we've been shopping. When we got our apartments, a few things were missing. So we went to IKEA and I got things that were missing, like plates, pots, pans, bedding. And then after that, I just went and did shopping with myself as well.
We met in a certain hotel where we stayed the first night, and then they taught us how to use the bus on the way here as well. And now we're in the mall shopping for things for my apartment that I don't currently have. Some shops that are quite familiar, like Lidl, IKEA, which helps like get all my cutlery and everything that I really need for my apartment. Then there's also some new shops, but obviously like the cost of living is lower here than home, so I feel like the prices are decent, they're alright.
I think everything's good. I think they've got a few UK brands here which are good. They've got Nike, they've got Bershka, H&M, so they've been good to look at. And then they've got their own brands as well. And I think you just have to pick and choose and see which ones are good, but they've got everything pretty much in there. I was happy because there's like some familiarity with home, but then there's new things to look at as well.
And while the cost of living is much lower, I think like the comparison for the exchange is like 1 to 2.3. So the cost of living is like quite lower, so everything's a bit cheaper, yeah.
The prices honestly differ because they're actually cheaper here. Everything's like, stuff that would cost you more in the UK is a lot less here, like half and everything.
I feel like MedConnect showing me where all the shops are was really helpful because like I could see where one of them was from my house, but it didn't have as many shops as I thought it would have. But having like all the other ones, I know where everything is and it is quite close. It just helps me get to know the city as well.
MedConnect have been really helpful with everything, like they sorted SIM cards out. Even when it came to the apartment, they put us in contact with the real estate agents. And shopping, they know all the good shops and where to go and everything, so they've been really helpful. I would definitely recommend MedConnect because they've helped me settle in really well. Everything that I can't do language barrier wise, they know like how to speak the language, so it's made everything easier and smoother.